Looking to build a restaurant directory on WordPress without spending a dime? You're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a professional, easy-to-browse directory website where visitors can discover local restaurants, all powered by free themes and plugins. Whether you're planning a one-city food guide or something larger, I'll walk you through every key step to get your directory online, even if you're new to WordPress. Let's get started. First, you'll want to choose a theme that's designed for directory-style listings. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and click on Appearance, then Themes, and then Add New. There are a couple of standout free directory themes I recommend. Listing Hive is especially popular for directory sites, and the best part is it works seamlessly with the HivePress plugin, which we'll use in a moment. You can search for Listing Hive or try Listoma. Both have layouts and features tailored for directories. Just click Install and then Activate to put your chosen theme to work. Picking a theme is a little like choosing the right table for your restaurant guests. The right shape and size just make everything run smoother. Next, let's tackle the heart of your directory, the plugin. Go to Plugins and then Add New and search for directory plugins. For this tutorial, I'll focus on HivePress because it's free, beginner-friendly, and built specifically for directory sites. But if you're curious, Directorist and GeoDirectory are also great options that come with strong free versions. After you install your plugin, don't forget to activate it. Your plugin handles the mechanics. Think of it as your kitchen staff working behind the scenes, making sure everything shows up just right. With the plugin running, most will immediately prompt you with a setup wizard. Don't skip this because it walks you through essential first steps. If you see Get Started or a similar button, go ahead and click. One of your main tasks here is creating categories and tags. Take a moment to think about how you want people to browse your site, by cuisine like Italian, Filipino, vegan, or maybe by neighborhood such as Buhangin or downtown. These categories help visitors find exactly what they're craving, so being thoughtful here pays off later. Now for the fun part, adding the restaurants. Within your chosen plugins menu, usually called Listings or similar, find the option to Add New. Here you'll fill out all the restaurant details. Include the name, a catchy description, some mouthwatering photos, contact information, price range, hours of operation, and location. Many plugins let you add addresses using an interactive map, making it easier for visitors to pinpoint restaurants. A quick tip: the more complete and accurate your listings, the more useful your directory becomes. Don't be afraid to ask owners for extra details if needed. If you've ever used Yelp or TripAdvisor, you'll recognize these kinds of fields. They help diners make smart choices fast. Finally, let's make sure everything looks inviting and easy to navigate. Jump into your theme's customization options or use a page builder plugin like Elementor if you know your way around. You can tweak your listing layout, color scheme, and menu structure to match your branding or preference. A well-designed homepage and menu make it simple for visitors to browse or submit entries. Once you're happy with your setup, add those pages and listings to your site's main menu so everyone can find them with a click. Don't worry if this step takes a bit of tweaking. You can always change things up as your site grows. And there you have it, a full-featured restaurant directory, live and ready to serve hungry visitors. If you found this walkthrough useful, hit that like button and feel free to drop your questions or tips in the comments. I'm always happy to help troubleshoot or hear your ideas. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials that make WordPress work for you. Thanks for watching and best of luck building your directory. Your local food scene will thank you.